Hi everyone, this is Steve Johnson. Welcome to the original 3-minute thriller. We are back. This is professional development in 3 minutes or less. What we're going to learn today is how we can download Screencastify so you can make videos for your students. Let's go ahead and do this now. Screencastify is something that you can use to make screencasts. This is a great way to show how to do certain things on a computer, especially for students or even adults. So you can do two different things. You can either click on the apps icon right here within Google Chrome, or you can type in Chrome Web Store. I recommend being in the Chrome browser while doing this. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on Chrome Web Store. In this page right here, you could get to if you clicked this and clicked Chrome Web Store as well. Okay, so we're here now, and we're going to type in Screencastify. Here it is, and you're going to see that it'll look just like this. If you type in Screencastify, it should be the top extension within the Chrome browser. I'm going to click Add to Chrome right here. It's going to ask you if you want to add the extension. I'm going to say yes, add extension. Look up here at the upper right-hand corner. There it is. It just popped up. Now, when I click on this, I can start recording my screen, but I'll do that in another video. So that's how you go ahead and download Screencastify. And in another video, I'll show you how to use it. Thank you.